Hello, it's mid-November, so time to get our garlic planted. This year we moved it over to another spot that has more sun. Our bulbs were okay, but we've had bigger. So first thing we did was tear out some sunflower roots that had been growing here, and then we added in some compost, and we didn't have a lot of that, so some sheep compost that we had bought. Then Sean tilled that up to loosen the soil and mix in all that compost. You need your soil a good 6 inches loose for your garlic to grow well. So once that was all mixed in, he just raked it up. I took out any big sticks or rocks we seen. So now we'll get our cloves ready. Just break them out and keep the healthiest, largest ones. Sean makes us nice straight rows with his rake handle. And then we do 6 inches. 6-inch holes and 6 inches apart. And you want your garlic down in there like 4 to 6 inches. So I'm putting some bone meal in the holes. Just a small handful in each. And then Sean's going to give that a little mix up in there. And I will start popping in the cloves, the fat, and down, the pointy end up. I'm just pressing them down in there gently into their holes and then cover them over. Just put a marker there because I have a little space at the end of the row. I'll stick something else, I'm sure. So now I'm going to water them with a seaweed. And then give them a couple inches of leaves. I recently butt-pruned a spruce tree, so I had a few extra boughs that I wasn't decorating with. And there's our garlic planted. If you'd like to see how we do our garlic powder, please check out our other channel, this video here. In the spring, we'll uncover this, so we'll see you then.